Grammar books are indispensable for anyone studying English, no matter if it is self-taught or in an academy. Sadly, most places where English is taught, they focus too much on grammar and repetitive exercises of grammatical rules. But with this method, people get bored very easily and learning English loses part of its spark. This doesn't have to be like that. Grammar books serve to know if what we are saying is correct or not. This is why it's necessary to find a good grammar book. But at the beginning, any book is good. The important thing is to start studying. Some of the best books I have found are those in the Grammar in Use series from Cambridge. There are 3 basic levels: beginners, intermediate, and advanced. The only thing that must be taken into account is that they are a bit expensive, although I think they are worth what they cost. But if it is not within your economic reach, any grammar book will be great just to start off. The good thing is that since the English language is so popular, you can find these kind of books in any bookstore.